Impromptu food reviews. Alright, we have Sour Boys and sour gummy nerd things. Sour chewy nerds. I've already... Oh, you've tried them? What a waste! We've all tried them, so I guess we aren't reviewing them. We're reviewing Sour Boys. What the heck? Don't give them the sour nerds. He's already tried them. It's ours.
But I just need yours. If you take him, you take him.
Just give him the Sour Boys. We are on his time. Impromptu food reviews. Let's go. They are incredible. Yes, they are actually very, very good. Holy crap! It just got super dark the second I zoomed out.
Okay, that's very long, sir.
Right.
I guess I get more.
Got super shady. Slim shady.
What kind of review is that?
Pretty good. Sour scale. How is it on the sour scale?
From 1 to 10?
Yeah.
Like a 5.
Okay. How is it on the flavor scale?
8.
Texture.
Texture, probably like 8.5.
All right.
Could be a little thicker.
What's your rating all around?
10 out of 10.
Yes. All right. That was the Sour Boys from Oompaville, and no sour nerds because he's already tried them. Do you like sour nerds?
I like it.
What's your rating?
Oh wait, actually, they're okay. These are way better.
No, yeah. I love these things here. This is the sour big chewy. Jesus Christ. Sour big chewy nerds.
I only like the reds.
7.5 out of 10.
That's racist. I give them a 5. I like them, but they're not anything like super special to me, really.
They're not even open. They're not even
And
open.
really, in the end, I'd rather just have nerds. You know, I'd rather just have normal nerds as opposed to.
Because those don't,
I want
they don't really taste like nerds. Like that.
Oh, not at all.
I
Yeah,
rather like the regular nerds.
they are sort of like Nerds Rope, I suppose.
Like a
But
chewier version of them, but like they're still in their normal size and normal flavor. That'd be cool.
anyways,
They should hire me.
impromptu food reviews.